Hi, what's up, peeps? Welcome back to Andine's TV in Andine's Kitchen. In today's video, we will be focusing on something different. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Nadine. Please give the video a like, share, and subscribe to The Real OG. Up, and stand in. As you can see, we have a beautiful display in front of you. Right there, we have some drops, some citrus with beetroot, and the apple cider, the mother of the all apple cider drop went in first. Looking very beautiful. Do we know the benefits of dates? Do we love dates? Do we eat dates? Do we know how healthy dates are for us? So, this is my way of infusing water. I'll present to you 3 different ways of infusing your water, not just cutting the fruits or berries and just dropping them into a water and says, oh, it is infused. But by extracting the benefits from the juice along with some of the pulp, there we have a beautiful infused water. Infused water also helps to hydrate your body, your tissues, your cells. If you don't like just plain water, this is a very unique way of infusing your water. I even make it in a heart shape to signify my love and my appreciation for you giving a part of your time to look at my records, my videos, my thoughts, the things that I share and use at home. And that's me right there eating the dates. So good. You can use it for a snack. It's a healthy choice. And overall, it's so beneficial for your body. So keep watching. Support your muscles. It helps with so much of your body and your overall health. You drink that infused water each day, you will feel much better. That one right there, you can see that's the juice, and some coconut water is in that one. So you can look at it right there. So beautiful. Also, you can also eat the fruits. The kiwi is very good. High in antioxidants. Very beneficial for the body. For me, the reason why I'm doing it, it's because I want to get a hold of my body. I want to lose some weight, get rid of my toxin, lower the bad cholesterol. I don't know if it's LDL or CDL or whatever they call it. Who knows? I just want to get a hold of myself. And again, I'm showing you right there. That's the coconut water that's been poured in. And also that's the extract of all the fruits, the citrus that you saw along with the beetroot. Look how rich that is. For me, I don't really like beets. Since I was a child, I don't like beets. It tastes like the earth. Too much of the earth, too much. So This is a great way where you can incorporate in your beets in your different juices to enhance the benefits and also the flavor. Here you can see I left the skin on one of the lemon. We have blood orange, beets, lemons, grapefruits, so on and so forth. It's the time where you're easily getting sick, so you can try to help the body naturally to promote the functions that it performs naturally over just quickly running for pharmaceutical solutions. You can try to use the natural. Here you can see the end part of the majority of the pulp coming out, but you will also get some pulp in your juice because we're using a cold press juicer to extract all the juices where it didn't just only give you juice, it also gives you juice and some sediments and some of the pulp, which is the roughage part, that's really going to be helpful and beneficial to your body. There, look at that potent juice. My big hand is in the way, but you still can see. Very nice, very, 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 very beneficial. I try to incorporate the drops 2 to 1 or twice a day, because if you incorporate the apple cider vinegar too often, then you could probably get a little reaction of the acidity on your stomach. And also, if you have acid reflux, that I also have a lot of acid reflux, this infusion here really helps to soften the acid reflux, and eventually it goes away, because the lemon and all those benefits from the citrus really helps to cancel all your acid reflux. So that's also a very healthy, normal way to help with your acid reflux, instead of running for Tums and all those unnatural way of aiding with acid reflux, building up all the vitamins and minerals that your body needs. As you could see on the molding of the juice, you can actually see that some of the sediments are there. You can see naturally there for you. So let me know if you're gonna give this infusion a try. Not just cut your stuff and put it in water, but actually extract the benefits of the product, so you can get a more potent, beneficial, successful extraction from all your product, so you can get the results that you're really looking for. The body will be very happy, and nothing is overnight. So continuous usage of this juice and incorporation, you will see significant benefits, also changes to whatever result you're trying to receive. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave us a sweet comment. Up, and out.